comes my fisherman. My good-looking fisherman. Guys doing fishing this morning.
Where the
Huh?
I can't see back there.
What thing?
I can't see anything behind me.
Oh, keep going. You're far.
Yeah, where's the surf park?
It's still far. Keep going. Enough. Doing surf fishing today, guys. Oh no, kayak fishing. And what did you catch, Sabi?
I caught one flounder. Your son caught two flounder.
Oh.